Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and we have single leg long back stretch for you today. So long back stretch is hard AF already, I know, but why not make it harder? Or actually just more revealing. So what you're gonna do is you're going to set up like you would for your long back stretch. And on my new Contrology Reformer, I have a really good spot to put my heels. So I get to really push down and forward. And then of course, this is a single leg. So you put one on top of the shoulder rest. And then you just go down, out, and in. And I would do 2 or 3 in each direction. It's the same movement that you did before, but now you only have one leg that's reaching into the carriage. And it's tempting to do this with your arms, but you know better. So when you do this on one leg, what you'll feel is like, wow, one of my legs is totally not doing the work, and the other one is. And so then you can take that information and put it back into your long back stretch and use that to really make sure that you're not just reaching out with one leg and coming in with one leg and, you know, all the things our bodies like to do, which is called cheating. So let me know how this feels in your body. We put it into the online PilatesClasses.com classes all the time. So it's really fun to challenge yourself and see how you're going and deepen your Pilates practice. So if you want more information on that, check out the links in the copy. I think you're awesome. Thank you so much for watching these videos, and make sure you subscribe so you never miss a video from me. Thank you.